Ako personally, ang opinion ko diyan kasi ang immediate reaction ko kapag ako ay nabawasan ng ganyan. Halimbawa, ako po ay napapalibutan ng aking security at eventually bigla hong na-pull out ito. Ang una kong reaction ay siyempre ninervyusin ako. No? And I think it's just a normal reaction, no, for someone or for somebody to react the way that the Vice President did. However, ang issue really is bakit nagkaroon ba ng movements? Bakit nagkaroon ng pull out? Bakit dapat yun ang pasagot, no? Kasi alam naman natin that the second highest official of the land must be secured in the same way that the president is secured. Diba? Kasi under our constitution, merong hierarchy, no? O merong tinatawag na may pwedeng pumalit in case that there are instances that are of course that we're not praying for. Ang punto dito ay yung orders, no? Bakit nagkaroon ng ganyan? Now, of course, the experts would be able to address that question. To me, ang gaya ng binanggit ko kanina, I am of the opinion na initial reaction nga kapag ako'y natanggalan ng security, abay, syempre magugulat din ako.